today's vlog. Today I'm going to try to be as productive as possible. So the plan for today is that I need to clean the house, clean the room, film a video, edit a video, and upload a video, which is fun. So I'm going to first start by eating breakfast. So I just finished eating and I decided to change into, let me do an OOTD. So I've changed into this light pink shirt and some black Adidas pants because I'm just going to be at home. So now we're going to clean. So now I'm going to do a little bit of behind the scenes of the video I'm about to film. This will probably go out after the video. So I'm just going to tell you guys that I'm filming. I'm filming a full face of first impressions. So like makeup stuff. And yeah, so I need to start setting up for the intro. So I'm just going to take my tripod over here, which is where I usually set it up. There we go. Oh, and by the way, if you guys saw like my Q&A video, you know that this backdrop was looking so boring. So my mom actually bought me some fairy lights and they turn on really nicely. Wait, turn on. And it just looks super cute, and I feel like this is gonna add a bit of wow factor or like YouTube vibes to backdrop. And I think it's really cute. I had a flower wall up there, but like all the flowers fell off and I'm too lazy to stick them back on. So that's probably for another day. But yeah, we got some fairy lights, my sister got some too. And now I'm gonna start by filming this intro for you guys to go on the tripod. So the intro is done and I'm just gonna move this so that it's more like convenient for me to sit down and stuff so that I can film this video. So I'm probably gonna do a time lapse of me setting it up. So we set up the chair just so I can sit down and stuff. And then you hop on over. I like really wanted to show you guys this. I organized like my top 2 cabinets. They were actually filled with clothes. But then I like removed some clothes to donate, which meant that I had 2 top corners, 2 top cabinets that were empty. And I was super excited because I'm able to organize my makeup there now. Oh no. So here's the first drawer. It kind of looks a little bit messy, but I know where everything is. For example, there's eyeliners and stuff. Like this could be a whole separate video, but I just wanted to show you guys this. I can't close. And then here's the other cabinet. So I'm super excited for that. And now I need to pick up some other makeup items from my mom. So let me go to her bathroom and then see what I can use. Okay, so let's see what I can use. By the way, Mom, if you're seeing this, hi, I love you. I just wanted to like see if there's anything I can use. I really wanted to try out this contour because I don't have contour. And I think that's it. So now let's go film. So everything is now set up and I'm going to film my video now. I'm super excited. Yay. Okay, here you go. Bye. I'll probably check in with you guys like in another hour or so. Here's a quick update for you guys. I actually just finished editing the video. It was originally 40 minutes long and I don't know how, but I managed to squeeze it all into a 10-minute video. I was super surprised. I had to rough cut it, and once I did, it was like 30 minutes. Then I edited again and it was 20 and now it's 10, which is perfect, but that took way too long. And now that it's done editing, I'm going to upload it while cleaning the house so that I can be even more productive. By the way, I upload on my phone, which is why like you won't see me vlogging until probably a little bit later. I have finished cleaning the whole house and I decided that I feel like eating lunch. There's the microwave. So I'm going to eat lunch, and yeah, I'm kind of in the mood for boba, so I think I'm going to make myself some boba. I'm just going to add in the boba, and I put the boba in the microwave because that's what makes them chewy. So boba, that seems like enough for me. And now I'm going to put in the actual Thai tea that my mom had made earlier. And now I'm going to put in the half and half cream. So about 1/4. So I added the straw, like the boba straws, and this looks so good. You can't really see the boba, it's all at the bottom, but here's a taste test. This tastes really good. I love boba, by the way. This is Thai tea boba. So now I'm gonna eat lunch. It's my boba and then whatever my mom made today. So I'll check back in with you guys later. By the way, I also don't know if I told you guys this already, but I wasn't able to upload the video for some reason because the internet kept failing on me, which is kind of sad, but I'll try to do it later. So I need to start reading this book for homework by the time I get back to school, since like I said, we're on spring break and stuff. So I'm gonna read that, even though I find it very boring. Sorry out there, but like it's so repetitive. So yeah, I'm just gonna read and then we'll see what we're doing from there. I think my mom's about to come home. Come here, Chewy. Good boy. I'm being ignored by my dog. Chewy, be a good boy. Chewy, turn around. Chewy. Chewy. Wow, he won't even turn around. There we go. Chewy, you can see his eyes. Oh. Okay, I have to go back to reading. So I finished reading my book. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I have finally successfully finished uploading the video. I have tried to upload it 3 times and they all failed, but now it's finally uploaded and I've decided that this video will go out most likely before the actual video because it's like behind the scenes of what's gonna come on the next day and it's all cool and like yay, all that fun stuff. Update, I finished my geometry homework, English homework, and I'm about to get started on Spanish homework. But before I do that, I decided that I'm gonna wash my makeup brushes. So let's go wash them because they're so dirty, and not the new ones, by the way. Well, you guys don't know about these yet, but like, yeah. So I'm going to wash these 3 makeup brushes because like there's literally powder everywhere because there's so much fallout, and these are the old ones. And I think I'm just gonna do a quick time lapse of them because I think time lapses are like very cool. I like time lapses in vlogs, so let's try that. So I just finished washing them and like, yo, like look at this. The color is like, wow, there's like no eyeshadows on there anymore. I'm just scared that I ruined them because like, look at that, but they look very clean. This one still has a slight tint to it. Oh well. Okay, so I'm basically done. I'm just gonna continue to do homework. So I think I'm just gonna end the video here so I can edit this and upload it and be even more productive so that this can go out as soon as possible. Whoa, the tripod keeps shaking. Oh, I'm tired. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe so we can hit 200 subscribers really soon. And yeah, I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Bye!